So you want to start a YouTube channel, but you're not quite sure where to start? Well, let this video be your ultimate guide.
We're going to show you some tips and tricks on how you can create your own channel and make it successful at the same time.
So there's no doubt that one of the best things about YouTube is finding and building a community of people that love the same things that you do.
So no matter what you make videos about, you'll be sure to find other people that enjoy the same things that you do. And there's always the possibility of turning something you're passionate about into a career.
Now, YouTube is certainly not easy. It takes time and patience to be successful on the platform, but with these little tips, you'll be well on your way.
So this may sound like a little bit of an obvious one, but you really should give creating videos a go before you start uploading to your YouTube channel. This way, before you start, you will have a little bit of experience because no one starts out having a lot of knowledge on how to make great videos or a lot of confidence when it comes to speaking to a camera. So try to get some practice in before you start uploading to your channel.
So because you've already started making videos, you can begin to experiment with different types of videos. And this will help you figure out what kind of videos you like and possibly what niche of videos you might want to create for. So whether it's gaming or travel or vlogs, photography, or literally anything in between, honestly, these days there's pretty much a video for every niche going. So I'm sure you will definitely find a niche for your videos.
So being successful on YouTube is not just about recording a video and then pressing upload. There are many other important factors that you may need to spend some time learning about. And the funny thing is, the best place to learn about YouTube is YouTube itself. So make sure to get watching some videos and learn about thumbnails, tags, descriptions, titles, and keywords. All of this information will be very important to you every time you go to upload a video to your channel.
And speaking of thumbnails, this could be a point in itself because it's so important to spend time creating eye-catching thumbnails for your video. You might have the best video in the world, but if someone isn't attracted to your thumbnail, they probably won't click it. Your title is also important in this, but ultimately your thumbnail gets the clicks. So have a look at thumbnails that kind of work well in your niche and try and use that as inspiration for your own thumbnails.
Using a good video editing software can really help make the process of creating your videos easy and allows you to make your best work. There are many different options depending on the type of device that you use, but we recommend using Filmstock because it's super professional, user-friendly, and you can get started for free. Filmstock also has a lot of additional features that just help you in certain scenarios when it comes to video editing. If you would like to get started using Filmstock, the link will be in the description below.
There are certain things that you can add to your videos to make them stand out, be more fun, or make them more professional, things like titles, transitions, and certain effects. Knowing where to find all of these things can sometimes be a real headache, but luckily there is an answer. And that is Filmstock. Filmstock comes with your Filmora video editor and it provides you with a huge range of effects that you can add to your videos in just one click. Titles, introductions, cool transitions, overlays, and anything else you could ever want to make good videos.
We were able to create sequences like this using Filmora and Filmstock.
So now you can get off to a flying start with making your own YouTube channel.
So remember to use all the tips that we mentioned in this video and just keep creating videos and you will get better with every one.
The link for Filmora will be in the description below so you can get started for free today.
And make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any future tips and tricks videos like this one.
So I hope you're excited to get started on your new YouTube channel. Keep creating and we will see you in the next one.
So no matter what you make videos of...
Already started making videos, you can begin to
And make sure to hit that subscribe.
Sorry, that sound weird with my teeth.